So I'm looking at the charts for everything for the USD yen. Looking at the 60 minutes USD yen, euro yen. Actually, the USD yen is first. Let me look at the 60 minutes for it. Let me bring it over. Here's the 60 minutes for the USD yen. It is actually short. It wants to go short, so it was long. It's trying to go short. If you guys are noticing, so any push up, so we're gonna be going short here. But it hasn't confirmed yet. It's just ranging. It's just within that range. It really wants to go. So you guys are looking at the raw candles. So it popped up last night a little bit. Yesterday went to 99.64. I guess the USDN, it just it really it's having a tough time breaking 100. So it went to 99.68 and it pulled back. So we'll see if it's gonna continue dropping. It is at the very top of its range, and that's what I've been saying with this particular currency. It drives me nuts because I can't it's hard for us to tell if we're at the very top or if we're at the bottom. But it looks like it really wants to go short. So we open the session with the USD and is at 99.40. But technically at the moment it is long, it's ranging. We don't know yet what it wants to do. It wants to go short. It hasn't confirmed that short. It did reach a low of 99.29 though. So if you're looking at the candle right there, this is a raw candle. This is the last point that it touched, 99.28. Okay? So if it does confirm short, we'll be taking short. But at the moment, it is long though. But I'm not liking this long because it just can't break 100. It's really hard. It's hard for us to trade that going long. But I'm noticing that it's making new lows. Do you guys? I don't know if you guys noticed that every single time it pushes now, it's getting lower because now it's at the low is 99.29. I think yesterday it pushed to all the way to 99 even, right? The USDN. It was at it was at 99 even, and now it's at 99. But before that, it was at 99.50, and it wouldn't break that low. But now it's getting bigger in retrospect. It's pushing further down. And let's look at the Euro USD real fast. Same thing. But we do know that all those currencies we talked about them last night, yesterday where we are, right? We know exactly where we are in the bigger time frame. The Euro USD is short, same thing, so we're waiting for it. It's really close to going long. And the lowest that it went was 134.07. It actually did drop yesterday a little bit. So the high right now is 134.53. So if this goes long, guys, it's going to be great long. As soon as it confirms long in the Euro USD, it's going to be a beautiful long. So let's just wait to see if it can confirms going long. We can't take this yet, but we need it's within. Let me see that it's within 6 pips or so of going long. And Euro yen is also short. It looks like it's looking to go long, so we will also take that long. So we're waiting for that too. So everything is just barely. Everything wants to go long and make it bigger. It went down to 133.25. Couldn't go past that. That's the lowest that it went. But all those currencies are making new lows. So let's see if it pushes back going long. But apparently it looks like it's gonna go long to the USD. I mean the UAN. It looks like, because if you're looking at it, the ocean itself is pointing straight up. It's curving. It looks like it has room to go. It's at the very bottom. As soon as it drops, as soon as it's confirmed and it drops, we're gonna take it long. And we have a new currency, the UNZD. I'm still watching this one. I don't quite know how it moves, but it is short. I do not know the direction of this currency yet, so I'm very reluctant to take trades on there. So, but we'll see what happens. But it is also short. It's been short, but it's so far from going long, so it's a mile away. But the euro yen is pushing going long. So let's keep an eye on the 15 minutes time. You have the 15 minutes. So make sure you please give me an update on all of our 15 minutes, okay? UUSD 15 minutes long. Okay, this is our second candle going long in the 15, and then the euro yen. So any pullback now, actually, guys, I'm looking at the hour for the 60 minutes. They're all turning to go long. So this is just happening right here, okay, right now. Here we go. This is the 60 minutes for the Euro USD. I know that's a lot of charts, so it's it's in line. Look, 15 minutes, Euro USD, going long. 60 minutes also going long. So those are going to be great trades. All right, no problem there. Right now we're at the very top. So let's wait for a little pullback. We can take this going long in the Euro USD. We just have to wait to see what the 1 minute is. So about the first trade that we take, let's look at the Euro USD. So and here's our Euro Yen. This is the 15 minutes, okay guys? It's long, it's confirmed long, okay? And if I bring over the 60 minutes, you guys will notice it's also just about to go long. It's right there within that line. Everything is up, and it's already at 61. So no problem there. It's gonna break its previous high, its current high. It's gonna go right through it. So it's gonna be really easy. So as soon as the 1 minute rolls, and I'll give you guys the cue. Hopefully we can get out of here super early this time. Let me look at the 1 minute. So the Euro USD, that probably will come first. That is a significant thing to be paying attention to. It's dropping, it pushed up. It went to 60, then it dropped back down. Or 60 minutes is short. But the only good thing is that the 15 minutes for the euro yen, it's long. Yeah, so Alpha for me too. Alpha did not. Alpha only told me basically the Euro USD. That's the only possible trade it gave me, because right now I don't have a confirmation on the 60 minutes in the euro yen. The only thing that it's in line with at the moment, Alpha is telling me, it's just the Euro USD. So the euro yen, it's short. We have no confirmation. So if anything, anytime it pushes up, we should be shorting it. But because the 15 minutes is long, so nothing is matching with the euro yen. But the euro USD, we got something there. So let's allow it to break back down, because it did confirm in the 60 minutes. The euro USD is actually long, the 60 minutes. And if I pull up the euro USD 15, the 15 and the 60, they are both long. So that's why Alpha is saying those are some good trades. So all we have to do now, we didn't get the pullback we were waiting for. What was the lowest that it just hit just now? It was for the euro USD. Was it 36? It was 36, right? And then it popped up 10 pips. Again, now the euro yen wants to go long, but it's not confirmed long yet. The great thing is this: it's at the very bottom. The ocean is curving going long. We have room to go long. So now we know that it's 32, 36. That's the farthest they're willing to pull back the euro USD. So if it comes any closer to that, we'll just take it there. So I'll move mine as well. I'll move it to 38, my euro USD entry, going long. Yeah, the 15 minutes is right there. And the hour just changed, guys. So it'll be a very safe trade. Looking at the euro yen one, we just guys, we didn't get enough pullback. The euro yen, this is where it turned right there to go back long. It did take a short breath right there, went to about 56, 57, and now it's at 63. It's 6 pip. No, I don't like it. Same thing for the USD. It went to 36, turn around. I just don't like this one either. I want a little bit more. But technically, if we're looking at the 1 minute, beautiful turnaround on both. Your yen right there, it turned. It was nice. Took a quick breath down, pushed back up. Your USD, same thing on the 1 minute, but I just don't like. I just didn't like enough. I just didn't like it enough for me to take it. You know, this is why I like this system so much. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is sit there, allow Cobra to do all the math for you. It'll come meet it when the time is right. It's at 24. The UAN is dropping like crazy. All those things are dropping. But you know what? The UAN 60 minutes never confirmed long. And look, briefly, okay? The 60 minutes is still short. It never confirmed. For all that pushed up, it still says we were short. But the 60 minutes for the EURUSD though did confirm. There was no question about that. It confirmed. So it's getting close to it. For it to go short, it will hit 11. Taking this long, like we're looking at very, very minimal pip loss to take this long at 21, even at 20. But I can we in no hurry, guys. At 19, 18, so let's see how close it gets to it. Because that's the trade that I want to take actually. It's at 18. Let's see how close it gets to it. 17. The US market opened at 6:30. It must have opened really big. So the Dow must be up big time. Can you check out the Dow for me real quick? At the moment, guys, I'm just paying attention to the 15 to the USD. Okay, I want to see if it changes. If it doesn't change, it's going. If the hour changes, when I say if the hour stays long, it'll be a great long, no matter what happens. So it's touching it right here. We will see if Cobra changes. I'm using raw candle so you guys can actually see it. It's at 11. It's still long. But pulling up the USD right there, put it next to it, guys, is of 15 minutes, okay? So you guys can see everything as it's happening. It's still long. That 15 minutes, you can expect some serious retracement. Look at that candle. Look at the wick in it. It's pretty big. We're still long at 05. Now it's going short. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's crossing over. Wow, that's a serious pullback, guys. I'm talking about major. Was there news at 6:30 that we missed? Yeah, I agree, Judy. It's the USD market force is still strong short. It's very strong. But they are breaking it down, I tell you that much. And they're taking the euro yen with it. This 15 minutes, if it holds, this short, if it holds right there, this will be the second time this last 2 weeks they did that. Take it long and go short. So that means this is going to be a very, very long short. I'm just going to tell you guys that, okay? So we still have 17 minutes to go before we can take this short. After that, you can go. It's going to be really short. The euro yen is going to be a massive short. Everything is going to be short. But we have 17 minutes to go for it to confirm short. We are not going to jump it at 134. 17 minutes to go. But I tell you what, that pattern right there, this is what when I was talking to you guys about pattern recognition, right here, whenever you see this little thing, it does that. They took it long for a fake and then drop it. We have 17 minutes to go. If this short holds, we will allow for a retracement real fast and we will take it short. You guys have no idea how many people are stuck long at the moment in the Euro USD and also in the Euro Yen at 75, 60s. A ton of people. This is what makes the systems work so well. You're able to look at all of the time frame, 15 minutes, 1 minute. It doesn't matter. You're looking at it, you can see it. Makes no difference. But before we can take this shot right here, we have to wait. And then the euro yen itself, looking at it briefly, it was always short. It was never, never, never long. It pushed, it never confirmed long. That's the brilliance of the system. So you guys saw that, right? It pushed up, it never confirmed. We have 15 minutes. It's been short this whole time. I know this, they did not break. They didn't go down to 133.98 just for the heck of it. So we have to respect the system. We have 15 minutes to go for this short to stick. Once it sticks, allow for a pullback up, take it short. But it has to stick. At the moment, we have 15 minutes. We can't take a trade. I agree, Julie. We can't take those kind of trades right now. The USD, if you guys notice, is dropping. It went to 50 and then left a whole bunch of people long because the hour they did that. They did that last, I think like a week ago. They did that. Where was it at? Where's that pattern at? Let me see if I can find it. Well, it's there somewhere. I don't feel like going. I don't feel like going this far back. Time 15 minutes. Then we will know exactly if we're short. And then after that, if we take a short, once it pushes back long, we'll take it short. It'll be a great short, and we'll live with it. And the euro yen itself, you're looking at it, we're short. See, a good indicator when you guys are trading, and I've always watched that, and that's why I said look at the USD, and it's not doing anything. It was stuck at 42 or 43. Doing that push up, it never dropped. While the USD was going on, it stood its ground at 42, 44. Some it didn't even move. It didn't even move 2 pips. Typically, what it's saying to you is that the move that's currently going on is just a fake. You can actually sit there, you can watch it. It did not move. The USD yen did not move, not even 2 pips. I don't know if you guys noticed that. We got 12 minutes to go for this to confirm. So I want to watch it to see. And that size candle, it's pretty healthy. Just so you guys know, it's not. There's nothing wrong with it. So right now we want to wait for it to confirm short. We have 12 minutes to go. Once it pulls back up, then we'll take it short. And I feel good about it. Where we are, even with that big drop, it dropped. The daily is long at the very bottom. It's pushing. We are long. So every drop, we have to put long position. Every drop, long position. 65. So the daily is just confirming along in a EURUSD. Yep, the dollar yen, I'm looking at it to see. You see what I'm saying, Tom? It seems like if the EURUSD is going to go long, that means the dollar yen is actually going to start going short. It's going to start breaking down. We have to wait and see if this holds up. So it was the EURUSD from that short when it went short right there. And it took me short. So I just happened to be short in this trade right there in the EURUSD. So, but I think even this short, I wonder if it's going to continue pushing going back all the way to 75 or something. But I don't even know that for sure because right now it's just ranging out. but there is no way you could see this big drop going long, short, long, short. It's just 3 times the hour change, 3 times. That is so, this is unreal. It just went from long, short, long. But the key thing is this, keep in mind, like I said, when you're paying attention to the daily is long. Anytime it drop, whenever the daily is long, you just gotta add to it because it is long. It's just the beginning of the day, the daily. If this thing happened to, if this holds, but the one good thing I can say about this particular candle is that it's somewhat weak. There is no body in it there. But if it were to hold and make that circle again, to go to somewhere like around 140, that would be ouch. So we'll wait and see.